Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Aviator Speaks. In this video, we will discuss about thunderstorms and how thunderstorm develops. Thunderstorm generate lightning and thunder, wind gusts and hail. How it forms? It forms when air converges, forced up and cools to form clouds. As shown in this picture, the warm air rises and form clouds. These tend to be brief, short-lived storms with moderately heavy downpours. There are three stages of development of a thunderstorm: cumulus stage, mature stage, dissipating stage. This image shows the life cycle of thunderstorms. The first picture shows the cumulus stage, the second picture shows the mature stage, and the third picture shows the dissipating stage. Stage 1: Cumulus stage. In this stage, clouds continues to grow as long as there is a supply of warm or moisture air. In this stage, updraft occurs. The second stage is mature stage. In this stage, the warm air continues to rise up to form clouds and produce heavy rain. Dissipating stage. In this stage, the storm dies out with light rain as the cloud disappeared from bottom to top. This picture shows the well-developed cumulonimbus. This picture shows the cycle of thunderstorm. The warm air rises and begins to form clouds. Then it produces heavy rain and cold downdrafts. There are three types of thunderstorms: single cell, multi-cell, and supercell. Single cell. They are small, brief, and weak storms. They may produce heavy rain and lightning. They are typically driven by heating on a summer afternoon. Multi-cell. Most common type of storms. In this type of storms, group of single cells move together. Each cell lasts for 20 minutes, but cluster can last for hours. It produces heavy rain, wind, hails, and weak storms. Supercell. It contains single cloud but very large in size, up to 65,000 feet. It is 10 to 30 miles in diameter and it lasts for many hours.